When I was little, I used to make this kind of sugar ornaments with my grandmother, but their history goes back to the Victorian era. You will need Instead of the traditional scraps, I printed out pictures of odd Victorian Christmas cards and a couple of copies of old family photos. Some goats and some owls, and also a picture of my great-grandmother and even my great-great-grandparents. These family photos will become a gift to my mother for Christmas. Then I mix all the ingredients together, pouring in the confectioner's sugar a little bit at a time until I get a thick consistency. I then mark out some guidelines on parchment paper and then start to make a frame with a piping bag. Then I take a piece of string and gently dabbing it into the mixture. If you want, you can stop here or, like me, add an extra frame. I recommend doing several batches instead of doubling it up, because the mixture starts to dry really fast. In total I made 4 batches.